How many deals are slipping through the cracks because leads don't get a fast response? What if an AI assistant could capture and qualify leads, schedule appointments, and answer FAQs 24/7 on autopilot? Here's a real estate mock-up website with an AI-powered assistant built for lead, capture, scheduling, and FAQs. Let's put it to the test. Let's try some real estate questions. Where are you located? Boom, there's the office address. How much should I put down on a house? Ava's got an answer. What's a good credit score to buy a home? Quick, clear response. How do I prepare my house for sale? Instant info, no waiting. What programs exist for first-time home buyers? Perfect. Now let's check VIP Access Club. I ask, how much does it cost to join? It's free. I select yes. Sign me up. Ava collects my name, email, and phone number. Verifies my details. Done. No forms, no friction, just automation. Let's book an appointment. I click schedule an appointment. Ava collects my details, verifies them, and asks, purpose? Buying a property. Timeline? ASAP. Gotta move fast. Details? Looking for a 3-bedroom home downtown. Budget around $850,000. Meeting preference? Zoom sounds good. I pick a date and time. Ava checks availability and books my appointment instantly. Let's check cal.com and Zoom. It's booked. Let's check my email. Yep, confirmation received. Faster than my morning coffee order. Here's why this works. Captures and qualifies leads. Agents focus on real buyers. Instant scheduling. No more back and forth emails with a unified scheduling system. Hands-free follow-ups. Keep leads engaged automatically. Want more firepower? Automated email outreach. Instant follow-ups. Lead nurturing. Keep prospects engaged. Social media automation. Stay active effortlessly. Now, imagine this. No missed leads. No back and forth emails. No wasted time. More deals closed effortlessly. Let's bring automation into your real estate business today. Click the link below to schedule a free consultation today.